Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In our journey through retrieval augmented generation, we've already explored the basics, self-correction, and re-ranking. But what if I told you there's a way to combine the best of all worlds? The sharp precision of keyword search and the deep contextual understanding of semantic search. That's exactly what we're building today, the ultimate retrieval system powered by hybrid search. So, what exactly is hybrid or ensemble search? It's a technique that merges multiple search methods to get superior results. Think about it. Traditional keyword search, like the classic BM25 algorithm, is great at finding documents with exact keyword matches. If you search for a term like AlphaFold 2, BM25 nails it. But it struggles if you ask about the concept of protein folding without using those exact words. Semantic search, on the other hand, uses vector embeddings to understand the meaning behind your queries. But sometimes, it misses out on important keyword-specific documents. Hybrid search fixes that by combining both approaches. It's the perfect balance between precision and understanding, giving us results that are both accurate and contextually relevant. Our implementation today will have three main parts. First, hybrid retrieval using LangChain's Ensemble Retriever to combine BM25 and semantic retrievers. Second, response generation, where we'll use this combined context to produce high-quality answers. And third, search explanation, where the AI itself will explain why the hybrid approach worked so effectively for a given query. Let's dive into the code. We'll start by installing the necessary libraries: sentence transformers, LangChain, and Chroma for the vector store. The key new library today is rank BM25, which powers the keyword-based search. Once installed, we'll import everything, including BM25 Retriever and the star of the show, the Ensemble Retriever. Next, we'll set up our API keys for Groq and Hugging Face. Links are in the description so you can get your free keys. For our knowledge base, we're using LangChain's web-based loader to pull data directly from Wikipedia's artificial intelligence page, and we'll split that data into manageable 500-character chunks to prepare it for retrieval. Now comes the heart of hybrid search, creating our retrievers. In the create retrievers function, we'll set up two different search mechanisms. First, the semantic retriever. We'll use the Nomic embed text model to generate embeddings and store them in a Chroma vector store. This retriever understands meaning and context. Next, the BM25 retriever. This one's our keyword-based searcher, analyzing term frequencies for lightning-fast exact matches. Finally, we'll bring them together with the Ensemble Retriever, which combines both results and even allows us to assign weights, giving equal importance to both types of search. This is where the magic happens. Our RAG system becomes hybrid and powerful. Now let's build our hybrid RAG pipeline. In the hybrid search RAG function, we use our Ensemble Retriever to perform the search and gather the most relevant documents. Then we do something really cool. We prompt the language model twice. The first prompt generates a detailed answer based on the hybrid context, while the second one explains how the hybrid search improved the result. This gives us both accuracy and interpretability, a huge advantage when building trustworthy AI systems. It's time to see it in action. We'll initialize the Groq LLM and run a query. What are the main applications of artificial intelligence in healthcare? The final answer you'll see is incredibly rich. Specific examples, strong context, and accurate reasoning. Then, in the hybrid search explanation, the AI breaks it down. The keyword retriever found mentions of medical diagnosis, while the semantic retriever surfaced broader concepts like patient care and clinical research. Together, they delivered a complete, meaningful answer. You'll also see the retrieved context showing exactly which documents contributed. A perfect demonstration of transparency in AI reasoning. And that's it. You've just built a fully functional hybrid search RAG system. It combines the strengths of multiple retrieval methods to deliver highly accurate, interpretable answers. One of the most powerful techniques in modern RAG architectures. As always, the complete code for this project is available on my GitHub. The link's right there in the description below. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub. Those links are in the description as well. Thanks for watching and happy coding.